guys, welcome back to my channel. In previous video I discussed about organizational behavior. Now in this video, I will be talking about management functions. We all know, management is how company organize and direct workflow, operations, and employees to meet company goals. The primary goal of management is to create an environment that lets employees work efficiently and productively. But have we wondered how managers do this? Let's start. Organizing is developing an organizational structure and allocating human resources to ensure the accomplishment of objectives. Planning is the first process of thinking and deciding in advance about what is to be done and how it is to be done. Organizing is developing an organizational structure and allocating human resources to ensure the accomplishment of objectives. Leading involves influencing others through direction, inspiration, and motivation toward the attainment of organizational objectives. Controlling is the last step of monitoring or comparing the actual performance with the predetermined standard performance. To explain all these, I will be taking example of a new restaurant, which I opened recently. Welcome to Kanvi's Kitchen. Here delicious food meets efficient management. In this video, we'll explore the 4 key functions of management that keep our restaurant running smoothly. The first function is planning. Every successful restaurant begins with a well-thought-out plan. At Kanvi's Kitchen, we carefully plan our menu, decide on pricing, improving service speed, or running promotions, and create schedules for our team. Next is leading. Our managers motivate our staff to give their best and provide exceptional customer service. Next is organizing. Organizing is about arranging resources, tasks, and people efficiently. Our kitchen staff works like a well-oiled machine, ensuring each dish is prepared to perfection. It's all about teamwork and coordination. Last but not least, controlling. This function ensures that we stay on track. Our managers carefully monitor financial reports, track inventory levels, and maintain quality control standards. If there are any issues, we address them promptly and continuously strive to improve our processes. Hence, these 4 functions of management, planning, organizing, leading, and controlling, are the pillars of success for Kanvi's Kitchen, which provide exceptional dining experiences and keep our customers coming back for more. Thank you for joining us on this journey through effective restaurant management. We look forward to seeing you soon.